Okay, our next question comes from another anonymous attendee who says, dropping in the chat now, if your engineering manager is adamant not to take new requests since we have already developed major features, but our product owner is like, you will have to develop the new asks/requests. How do you deal with situations like this? Okay, so what I'm interpreting this question is you have a product owner that's not empowered to make decisions on the new requirements, but there's an engineering manager that's kind of pushing work on this team and saying, well, you got to do this stuff. Or you can't take new requests since we've already developed a major feature. The thing is that Scrum is really not going to help us here. Agility really doesn't help us here. What I would go to then is I would go to where's the conflict here. If it's with the product owner, then we have to kind of figure out what values are being violated, because it seems like that there's some value that's being violated. I think it's empowering the product owner. If we are going to be using Scrum, then you can use Scrum actually to help you to say, well, the product owner does get the rights, the say in ordering the product backlog and identifying what value is and ordering the product backlog according to value. We have to kind of figure out why this engineering manager is not willing to take on new requests. Is it a budget thing? Is it a personal preference? Is it the fact that he might be empowered not to make those decisions? Scrum is pretty clear on who is making the decisions on new features in the product. So start with figuring out where's the conflict, because I really can't answer much more other than what Scrum can provide you, and Scrum is clear on this product owner gets all the say on the product. So the engineering manager, if the engineering manager has something that he's got a problem, or he or she's got a problem with being able to not have any major features, there's something else going on there. So probably start with Scrum here and go back to the values and see if there's like some kind of a respect that's being violated or something like that. So I feel like there's something else with this question. Sorry I couldn't answer it. But I hope it did. Hope I gave you some direction. So thanks for that.